The third state in the southwest region of the United States is New Mexico. The capital of New Mexico is Santa Fe. Santa Fe was founded in 1610 and is the oldest capital city in the United States. It's known for its beautiful adobe buildings, colorful art, and long history. New Mexico is called the Land of Enchantment. This nickname comes from the state's beautiful deserts, colorful sunrises, sunsets, and amazing landscapes. You can visit Carlsbad Caverns National Park in New Mexico. It's one of the largest cave systems in the world. Families can explore huge underground rooms filled with sparkling rock formations. The biggest room is called the Big Room. It's so large you could fit 6 football fields inside it. In the summer, thousands of bats fly out of Carlsbad Caverns at sunset. Families love to gather and watch the sky fill with bats each evening. New Mexico is home to White Sands National Park. The sand is made of pure white gypsum which stays cool even under the hot sun. It's the largest field of white sand dunes in the world. Families love to sled down the soft dunes. Each October, New Mexico hosts the biggest hot air balloon festival in the world. More than 500 colorful balloons float above Albuquerque during the International Balloon Fiesta. It's like having hundreds of bright, colorful rainbows in the desert sky.